everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Jason and I do unboxings. In this video, we will be doing another unboxing of a subscription called No Make, No Life, NMNL. It is a Japanese-Korean beauty subscription box, and this will be my 5th box. This box is actually January's box. So if that's something that you'd be interested in seeing, then keep watching. All right, so let's get right into this box. This is, like I said, No Make, No Life, and comes in a box like this. Okay, it says No Make, No Life on it. And when you open it up, this is the inside. And that's what it looks like. Now, they always give you this nice booklet. Let's see where the front is. So in each box, there's always a nice little booklet, and when you open it to like the center of the booklet, it gives you a description of all the products, but there are no retail values in there. Sometimes I can look them up on japanhaul.com. So if I can do that, I will put the prices either down in the description or in the video when I edit, if I can get to that. But anyway, like I said, this is my 5th box. So the other 4 boxes I've gotten have really been not what I expected. I ordered 6 boxes, pre-ordered 6 boxes, and this was the subscription that taught me never to buy multiple subscriptions ahead of time. Unless you know that you're going to love the subscription box or the company and you know what items are coming, I'm not going to do that again. I thought I was saving money that way. Now, off the top of my head, I don't remember the cost of the box. I will put it in the description below. But normally when you order a like a set number of boxes ahead of time, they discount a little bit, so you save a little bit of money. I would have if shipping wasn't extra and they were more upfront about shipping ahead of time. Initially, when I ordered them, people in their videos were talking about free shipping, and they did have free shipping for a while. Starting in either August or September, they started charging for shipping, and it wasn't in an obvious place. I had to look it up under the FAQs. So now, in addition to the money that I've paid up front, I'm still paying another $11 a month for shipping on these. So I've got 1 more month to go, and I'm glad to be getting that done and over with. But let's look and see what this box has. Maybe they've got some good items in this box. I've gotten a few in past boxes, items that I've enjoyed. So let's open up to the front. So the first thing we've got is MetaHeal Essential Mask. Let me find that. That looks like, okay, so that's going to be MetaHeal Essential, yes. This is the MetaHeal Essential Mask. And is this a sheet mask? Yes, it looks like it is a sheet mask. Platinum V-Life Essential Mask. I don't know what this is supposed to do. Let's see if it says here. I am not going to read all the descriptions for you because I don't want the video to be too long. But if it's something that I don't know what it does, I'll look at that for you. So this is voted the #1 face mask by Cosme users for 2 years running. The essential mask is packed full of hydrating ingredients made in collaboration with dermatologists. It's especially formulated to work with your skin, not against it. Comes in 1 of 5 kinds. So you can get either Collagen Impact, you can get Placenta Revital, Tea Tree Healing Solution, V-Life, which is this one, and Vita Light Beam. So the V Life is a pomegranate and trehalose? I have no clue. To lift the V line. I don't know what the V line is either, so anyway. That's what this mask is for. Let's go ahead and look at item number 2, which is Miksen Extreme Damage Repair Hair Mask. And that one looks like, let's see, is it this? Yes. Miksen up here. But it's this hair mask, and it comes in like 2 steps. So it's interesting. The first one feels like it's a lotion of some kind or a gel. So I'm assuming you wash your hair with that, or maybe you, let's see, or maybe you just put in the mask, leave it in there, and then you use this second part, which is like a little turban, to wrap the hair up. Again, all the instructions on the back are either in Korean or Japanese, so that's why I'm like, I don't know. So that's interesting product. I might give it a try. My hair is really damaged, so that's not a horrible thing to get. This is Damage Care right up here, so. All right, let's look at the third item is the BT21 hair clip. Okay. BT21 hair clip. I don't think I'll be using these. They're cute for like little girl. But then we have Innisfree Matte Mineral Setting Powder. So that is this one here. Okay, so a setting powder. I've got a couple setting powders. I don't really use them. So this is sealed. I may not even take this out or, you know, open it. I may just put it in a future giveaway. So there's that. Then we have our 5th item. Now, usually, I forgot to say with these boxes, you get like 7, 8. I think I've gotten 8 items in pretty much all the boxes. This is the Your Glam Lip Oil, number 5, which looks like, let's see here, here it is. This is the Your Glam Lip Oil, okay, just a clear oil for your lips. I may put, I've got so many lip products, I may just, again, put this in a future giveaway. And then we've got, number 7 is Your Glam Eyeshadow Palette. No, I skipped number 6. Number 6 is Facey Moisture Balm Hand Cream. And that is this here. Okay. And this is in peach. Let's see if you could get different. It comes in one of 5 scents. You can get strawberry, violet, grapefruit, peach, and milk. And I got the peach, which is fine. I do like peach. Let's give this a smell and see if it actually does smell like peach. But that's the little tube inside. And if you hear some talking in the background, I apologize. My apartment, the room that I'm filming in, is street level. So there's people right in front of my building that are jabbering away. So, joys of living in New York. So, ooh, that is a good scent. And put it on, it's just this kind of pinkish cream. Let's see how it feels. And rubs in pretty clear, but it does have a very nice scent to it. So again, I don't know if I would say that it's a peach scent, but it's definitely a fruity scent to it. So All right, I actually do like that. Let's look at the next one is number 7. This is Your Glam Eyeshadow Palette. Now, the first time of the 5 boxes that I've got, or the 4 boxes prior to this that I'd gotten before, I got, I think, eyeshadow palette in one of them, and I really did like that eyeshadow palette. It had like 30 something pans in it. This one is not as big, but this is the eyeshadow palette in this one. So these are pretty neutral colors, which is good. I don't really need any more eyeshadow palettes at this time, so I'm not going to swatch these. I'm just going to go ahead and put them right in a future giveaway. So, but it's not a bad palette. So that's nice. And the last item in this is the microfiber hair drying glove. And it's just this big old Mickey glove looking thing, which you obviously put on your hand, and it helps dry your hair so that you're not pulling at it and all that stuff. So I might give this a try. This is not bad either. But that is the box for No Make No Life for January. Let me know what you thought of this box in the comments below. I am getting one more box, I believe, which is the February box, and I've already canceled after the 6 that I got. I'm not going to get it anymore. But yeah, let me know what you think of it, and that'll do it for my January box of No Make No Life. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope everybody is staying happy and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.